The facilitator, management, staff, PTA of students of Palace Standard Schools, aka Beautify City, motto, excellent training, wonderful destiny, babysitter, nursery, primary, secondary, skills academy, address, Boiling Altar Complex, number 14, Jidofo Market, behind the Precious Hotel and Living Christ Mission of Apams, Chipet Bus Stop Expressway, Wolebo, Onitsha. Solicits your royal presence and support at her 11th Graduation and Awards Festival 2024. Dates, Sunday, 21st July 2024, 1 p.m. No African time, please. Venue, the school graduation ground, Prince Ejichukwu Anwere, Mbada Motors Limited. Special guest, Emperor Dr. Simon Winner. August visitor, Royal Pastor, Prophet P. Ikem C. Anwere, JP, Bishop, 09069938559. Proprietor, you are our VIP. God bless you as you come.
With my two hands in the air as far as I can.